Gavana ma Kisumu Anyang Nyong'o kwayo piny owacho mondo tema matek eneno ni port manyien ma Kisumu oyaw kendo chako tiyo kaka yorno mar bero ohand nam lolwe e alwora mar namno mondo okonye e jiwo chumi ma pacho ka. Nyong'o mane oyango ni ka portno kobiro yaw mondo oti to mano en ketho mwandu mag piny owacho kayiem. Ne oloso e seche mane oyuoro e romo mar jiwo ohala mar nam pacho ka mane otimore Kisumu. Jakom board mar Kemfris John Safari Mumba to oyango ni pod gibiro dhi nyime kod siro chenro mar nonro kotenore kod weche nam kaka yorno mar medo bero ohala kod wuodhe nam.
Excellence in innovation research for sustainable blue economy and fisheries development. While our mission is to generate and disseminate information, scientific information for sustainable development of the blue economy and fisheries. KEPRI will continue to support innovative research for improved management and development of sustainable blue economy.
I do hope that the government will listen to my voice and make sure that this precious resource for the blue economy in this region is made dynamic, productive, and engages with the public in the resources that are waiting there for further development and use by the people.
The conference has been very effective in meeting its purpose, and Kenya will continue promoting the blue economic agenda in various aspects. The ministry shall continue to implement the recommendations. The ministry will also continue development of appropriate capacity for exploitation of the fishing industry. This one includes development of landing sites, both in the